This exam application tutorial is on the topic of the atmosphere. The question for 6 marks: describe how you can find out that a 100 centimeter cube sample of air is approximately 20% oxygen. So really you may know this experiment now, but describe how to carry out the practical that proves that 20% of air is oxygen and explain the expected results of this practical. So firstly, connect 2 gas syringes filled with 100 centimeter cubed of air. So here we have 2 syringes connected together and there's 100 centimeter cubed of air in the space. Then place an excess amount of copper or iron or magnesium or any metal which reacts with oxygen in the center. It has to be excess, so you ensure that all the oxygen in this airspace will react. You don't want the amount of metal to limit the reaction. You have to ensure all the oxygen gets used. Then you heat the metal using a Bunsen burner. You may want to use the plungers to pass the air back and forth over the metal to ensure that all the oxygen reacts with the metal. The hot metal reacts with all the oxygen in the gas syringe, so you can see that happening now. As we heat it, all the oxygen is being removed and reacting with the metal to form a metal oxide. So that's how we describe the practical. Now we need to explain the expected results. So after the air has reacted, what you should see is the plungers moving in, like so. And that leaves 80 centimeter cubed of air left in the gas syringes, proving that air is approximately 20% oxygen. And that's because we've moved from 100 centimeter cubed or 100 milliliters of air to 80 milliliters, and we know that only the oxygen has been removed because our metal reacts with the oxygen. So that means there's a difference of 20 milliliters or centimeter cubed of air, all of which is oxygen. So 20 as a proportion of 100 is 20%.